AVO is a producer of spices, both of classic dry spices and also liquid marinades. The 3 APMs at our company have been in use since the new drying plant came online in 2010. With their hourly output of 18 containers, they ensure the smooth running of our operations, the reliability of recipes, 100% traceability, and reduce strain on our employees. In addition to our many years of good experience that we already had with Jungheinrich in the other parts of our operation, we also chose to go with Jungheinrich for the DTS project for the following reasons. Firstly, the laser navigation which was offered to us and which enables us to travel the optimal routes even in confined spaces. Secondly, the expert advice and project management. And very simply, that warm, comforting feeling that we're in good hands. Project management runs very smoothly with Jungheinrich. Our own employees were soon able to familiarize themselves with the APMs. A significant number of experts from Jungheinrich made themselves available, and the amortization period of 2 years was met.